Hey math friends, we're going to check out how to create decimal equivalents of fractions. So starting off with this 3/20ths, I need to remember I have my dividend in the numerator and my divisor in the denominator. I also remember that when I set this up as long division, I do dividend in the house and my divisor goes outside. So how many times does 20 go into 3? Trying to get into the house, right? 20 doesn't go into 3. So now I have to add a decimal. Goes in 0 times. Then I can add a 0 here. Now I can think of this 3.0 as 30. 20 goes into 30 once. 1 times 20 is 20. Subtract it. I get 10. I add another 0 here using a different color. Drop it down. 20 goes into 100 5 times. 5 times 20 is 100. Now, if we're not great on those multiplication facts, we can guess. We can count 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, right? I have no remainder now, so my final answer is 0.15 or 15 hundredths. Just circle that. Now we're asked to classify it. Is this terminating? Terminating means that it ends. 0.15, 15 hundredths, it did end. It didn't keep going. So yes. So it's not non-terminating. Repeating, so like if this 5 would have went 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, or if it would have went 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5 forever. So it's not repeating, no. And yes, it's non-repeating. It's kind of silly to ask those questions, but sometimes we see these asked of us so that we clearly know what we're talking about. One more example here, 11 over 15. I can think of 11 divided by 15. So my dividend goes in the house. Try not to think of big number, small number. Think of dividend divisor. Because big number, small number doesn't always work. It's a trick, not a treat. All right, 15 goes into 11. It doesn't. So 0 times my decimal. 15 goes into 110. Let's see, 15 times 6, I'm just going to take a guess. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 3, so 90. Can I do one more? What if we add 15 to 90? Does that go over or is that under? So let's see. Let's add it. 5, you get 105, so I'm just under. So this 6 times, this was my 7th time. So I've got a 7 here. 7 times 15 is 105, as we just did. Sometimes I just need some extra space to do some work. Okay, subtract that. 110 minus 105 is 5. Use a different color. Let's make another 0 here. Drop it down. 15 goes into 50. 15 and 15 is 30. Another 15 is 45. So that's 3. 3 times 15 is 45. Now if we run out of room, we might need to rewrite this. But I get 5 when I subtract. I'm going to put another 0. Drop it down. 15 goes into 53 times again. That's 45. So right here, if you notice this, we're going to start to have some repetition, right? We have a pattern. So right here, I'm going to keep having 50, 45, 50, 45, and this 3 is going to repeat. So my final answer, 0.7. Now the 3 repeats only, not the 7. So I want to make my repeating bar, or my vinculum, over the 3. Like that. Is this terminating? No. It keeps going. So it's non-terminating. Is it repeating? Yes. That 3 repeats. Non-repeating? No. All right? So work from that. You got this.